Just looking like a wow. Sini classmates si Bob. Kaçar ako. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Tini a special day tamike tini ang ani Maare by date night, girls night. Guy origin ko phajak tamong progoti ni field job. Garo lantern rock. Iko lantern rock tong bayo. Iko. Lantern lighting sin tong kay mo last year ni start mo ni lantern kay Chinese rock Korean rock drama rock nung haitang kay amo tabok first time chung phailayo kay samia buting no 8:30 rock so payo kay abang isa to late no ha borok kamong mo no no phunung nai do vlog no pa sangai tang ding kenor an channel subscribe kay kong subscribe hen ta bok di te like te comment bothai zara se dil mein dil jana tu zara sa khawun zara sa yaadon mein basa मैं चाहूं तुझको मेरी इच्छा में बना फिदा हूं तुझको मेरी इच्छा में बना just single life nấu rồi không bao nhiêu cho là gì ô mà vô xe bố phẳng thì không nó thay được yes hai bị cái trong mắt phải như kia khám mới trông mấy cha này tí có rất là cháu ấy để cho anh cái fire service nó sẽ mà đi bên first time Lantern Festival phải tông last year shop ali Maare nang last year shop kya first time borok koboma nai di mana su borok koboma ni wan su mani yang emne te kabanga borok khai kan ka si belakhin nai thokamu waisha bai timing kaise riwita borok lantern announcement on the field in Sauta but exact timing ri khanke belakhin on nai thokamu ta free lantern ri tongko lagbe free lanterns lagbe hello pure Indian free man ka jita nawa ta free lanterns bagi tong ko kai tao sang khasik lai tong no phunu kana bui khasik tong sang hai kina iko khasik lai tong lantern ni bagi free lantern but the plastic here horrible dustbin ni bu kaise system khai ke bela ke chanai ko yang bui shok lai tong lai chung finally shok lai chinai kai ta singo ma pa nye hini na shok lai yang tong lai ran ki so khor so khanya musing hai chi khai chalo oi ma lo to di na line nai de bat samani free lantern bagi lokolong mang thanga ete nong na sana pogui thanga khum sabria no an Maare riwo first time ani boyfriend man se anaria ko engagement ni pagui yes thank you mane ani fiance ta ta ko papa chana khum ro ria ko wow nice ka sung tabuk line jeta bas amani sung give up khai ka Maare bhai chini बस की बात नहीं है नहीं ताबुक चा संग यो फाइट हो कैसे के तो ओइशी Japanese restaurant Donggoy ngai to Agartala Durjoynagar cafe jo ke by Jewel ni by Sorobini angko manai Gai cafe oligi hanga gai sini sar member Kumar ni bini baslani kana MS of Ranga gai bual mane sebona ni bual wah mare tini jotun try kaya sini classmate si bo goldsmith bin bumong bosang nus nugiana क्यों क्या मुझे क्या खा हेलो खाना खा के जाना है साढ़े 10 ना है चुने पायो जाना है ने आसुम से बोला कनी पापा के सनो पापा के 10 नॉन का नाया है ने आगिन चलाना छोड़ो ना चिनी कॉलेज नहीं चलाना स्कूल नहीं चलाना छोड़ो ना नाया नहीं पाके पर बस बड़ी क्रश हो मां कोरियन उपाय करना जी मम्मा जाना है जो दिन को shredded chicken. Very shredded chicken. Oh, there.
I hope you all are having a great time. I would request everybody in the back of the ground to come join us for this wonderful music event. So the next song is a very famous song which was released recently. It's a romantic song. So let's fall in love together, everyone. The name of the song is With You. Everyone. दिल लुटिया तू मैनू छड़िया ना थकदा तेरी याद आवे मैनू छड़िया ना थकदा मैनू छड़िया दे कौन बलिया रात चने करे दिल लुटिया तू मैनू छड़िया ना थकदा मैनू छड़िया ना थकदा Say goodbye. I have an upcoming song just after this song maybe. We want all of you to light it all together while we sing the song. Are you guys gonna do it? Thank you everyone. So this song is called Nini Khaniari. Make some noise everyone. Nini But nevertheless, those of you all Please make this night wonderful. What we truly want, what we truly are. So this song is for those who lost their way while chasing their dreams. This song is called Before I start this song, on the leads, the guy in the back, how can we forget him? Bro, what's your name? Teja. Can we have some noise for Teja? And the man on the keys, the magical hands. Make some noise for Rohit. And the man with the grooves. Can we have some noise for Two-Tone on the bass? Show us some moves. I'll definitely miss you all. So the last song is a really special song for me. The name of the song, yes you. The name of the song is called Peeny Peeny. I have a small request. Will you sing first two lines for me? The chorus. My guitarist tune his guitar.
We'll stop the first two lines.
Okay, just sing the chorus for me. It goes. Everyone, I'm gonna sing.
Light current hang pa kya? Maare current idi Maare. Current idi. Oh current please. Ani stop tomorrow. Ani stop tomorrow. Ani current. Devo me please. Rohani dakne. Asuk khana to ka khana lai tomai ma se. Asuk bai khale thakarok. Thanga. Mi chai lagi na Maare. Sana ni tabuk. Looking like a wow. So beautiful, so elegant, so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. So salahnya nih, nah si drama lagi deh. Saya lah pun. Korokta, utang kamu. AMC. Salah juga na orang Zaha, dong kau Zaha. Kan maidul chalai nai maidul nai di nana gi khakai chari ma se tak to nana choli yana rogani blogo saima kana ngai ko maidul betam di samanai wahan mozde oh okay iko sini packet ngai thangka tabok or dongai na rok nagar phasing ni sina katal restaurant ni borok nok thangbai di bonga sol restaurant chawi chawan review sala juran tabok pura line khai dong kan ni baru asa kaham lagi ni cuma kata gift sih mana milit cuma gift riwa hambai menai fat plate oh fat plate oh wow benar hambai di kumlong atau nak saya mana fat plate tabuk dong goyo start Agartala kata start khaima dong uta nang jodoh kenapa gina tabuk third hingga seng by Jewel ni ora bye tabuk biro juice nana ni tam juice kisa sagala mokai Hawaiian orange inge mongke Ay bay onek din pore mala laikha. Bay tebe dile dile bring ai thong khayo. Tin ro khoisuna. Glong zak.
Yang se good news of manzar.
Cheers.
Program pai laikha. Khyang guys, Maare song ana tuni ri nai. Ko akon tata guys. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.